Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Infiniti Q50. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear such as gloves and eye protection. Always ensure both vehicles are completely turned off before you begin connecting any cables. Carefully position the donor vehicle so it is close enough for the jumper cables to comfortably reach both batteries, but without the vehicles touching each other. Now, let's connect the cables. Take one red positive cable and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your Infiniti Q50's dead battery. Next, connect the other end of that same red positive cable to the positive terminal on the donor vehicle's working battery. Then, take the black negative cable and connect one end to the negative terminal of the donor battery. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Infiniti Q50, away from the battery. This provides a good ground. Once all connections are secure, start the donor vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes to charge your Q50's battery. After this brief charging period, you can attempt to start your Infiniti Q50. Once your Infiniti Q50 starts, it's crucial to disconnect the cables safely. Begin by removing the black negative cable from the unpainted metal surface on your Q50. Then, disconnect the other end of the black negative cable from the donor vehicle's battery. Finally, remove both red positive cables, starting with the donor vehicle and then your Q50. Drive your car for at least 20 minutes to fully recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.